The heartbreak of a lover in rain is insane.
Insane. Wow.
Bathing of the beloved in champagne is insane. Wisdom in the old street walks on crutches, and sane in the rain of insane is insane. Light plays hide and seek in the hamlet, while the darkness by legerdemain is insane. Clouds refuse to rebel against the bright sun. Clouds refuse to rebel against the bright sun. Running amok in the garden, the fountain is insane. Red rose kisses the petal of the black rose. Red rose kisses the petal of the black rose. Such rallying of love and pain is insane. Sacrilege of the lover on the sacred land. Sacrilege of the lover on the sacred land. By the beloved who calls love mundane is insane. My stay in the realm of dark to see light. My stay in the realm of dark to see light. Inamorato, such delay in her domain is insane. The heartbreak of a lover in rain is insane. Bathing of the beloved in champagne is insane. Okay, I'm trying to adapt to the Urdu culture. Narration के लिए तो I hope it
मैं बता दें यहाँ पे चलो कि अक्सर जो है जब इंग्लिश पोएट्री बोली जाती है तो एक फील नहीं आता, लेकिन जब जुबैर साहब पढ़ते हैं उनका अंदाज और जो लिखा है बिल्कुल कनेक्ट हो पाता, और मेरे मुंह से बेसाख्ता बाहर निकल जाता है.
So if dark is tenacious to grant you a smile in the air, write to me. If dark is tenacious to grant you a smile in the air, write to me. If your heart is numb and cold and you have grief to share, write to me. While you conquer the world, I'll sit in silence and feel proud about how you revamp dark into a vivid glare. Write to me. Someday under the shades of the chinar tree in hopeless autumn, why you and I are unclad draped in mohair, write to me. I have secured dreams of our promising days in my shattered heart. How you let them skim away aimed all the care, write to me. The world of us was my dream, so I inhabited it unhurried. What compelled you to stop being there? Write to me. Write to me about the betrayal you conspired upon us. How did you salvage like a calm snowshoe hair? Write to me. If dark is delicious to grant you smile in the air, write to me. If your heart is numb and cold, you have grief to share. Write to me. Another cousin. थोड़ी लंबी है और I want कि इसकी मैसेज आप तक पहुंच जाए because it's metaphysical in nature. The lover within me is dying in my name. A crusade of the new order is flying in my name. A vice inflicted by the beloved has drifted. The sin right now is amplifying in my name. Loyalty has shown extents of infinite orders. The order of compromise is ratifying in my name. In the little fragile world of Irida and Aphrodite, Irida in all her majesty is sighing in my name. The lover within me is anonymous to beloved's word, though the joy in her castle is fortifying in my name. All of these love-stricken hearts fail to comprehend the love story which is complying in my name. The candle of love torched by the passion of Majnoon in the valley of Laila is dying in my name. The candle of love torched by the passion of Majnoon in the valley of Laila is dying in my name. The grief-stricken verses of Mir and Agha in the Mirza's residence are glorifying in my name. The grief-stricken verses of Mir and Agha in Mirza's residence are glorifying in my name. A miracle awaits to be unfurled in the sea, though the infidel is terrifying in my name. A dream within a dream has dreamt of light. The dream in occupation is testifying my name. The tyranny has instilled fear in my minds. The tyrant has instilled fear in my minds. The tyrant, I tell you, is lying in my name. I belong to the wisdom of a paradise. This is dedicated to the people of Gurez, to the hearts of Gurez, the beautiful valley of Gurez. So, I belong to the wisdom of a paradise, where mountains, high and cold, are magnifying in my name. The shriveled flower has resolved to sustain the words of a disguised gardener, horrifying in my name. Underneath the blue sky, one who has denied me a voice. In the smoke of inclusion, she's replying in my name. A combination of letters is endorsed worldwide, though the combination is belying in my name. The lover within me is dying in my name. A crusade of the new order is flying in my name.
Fantastic.
Conclude with this. I hope the message reaches you again. Candle lit in the scary dark is heartless. For the deaf, the hymn sung by the lark is heartless. Smile of the child in the lap of oppression is purity. But the oppressor's bark is heartless. Lover dies in a frenzy while beloved departs. Beloved who decides to stalk is heartless. Prayer for the safe return of a son, says mother. Prayers for the safe return of a son, says mother. Son who blurs his emotional spark is heartless. Messiah in the trodden times saves the ship. Messiah who paints the sun dark is heartless. She is the full moon in my life, he says. She is the full moon in my life, he says. Moon which declines to form the ark is heartless. He is pain in the words he writes. His poem without hash mark is heartless. What miracle he expects to turn hearts. What miracle he expects to turn hearts. Even love for the monarch is heartless. Candle lit in the scary dark is heartless. For the deaf, the hymn sung by the lark is heartless.